Hey everybody, in today's video we are going to be installing this LED light bar on my Axial SCX24 Deadbolt. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a super quick modification. We got this little LED light bar here. I'm not sure the brand, I think it's just Amazon special, and it should bolt up right into here. So I'm actually really curious to see how this looks. I think it'll look pretty cool actually. So let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Alrighty guys, so let's get this out of the bag here. It does come with two little screws. I will put the link in the description if you guys want to buy this thing. Make sure you watch the full video to see if it actually works and if it's any good. Looks just 3D printed. We'll see which way we want to install it. This is going to have to be put through the body, I believe. Take a look at it close up so you guys can see. Looks pretty good. It looks like a real light bar though, so that's good. You can see here, so you'd probably want to mount it on this side. It shoots down. If you do it this way, you're gonna have to wrap it back and it's going up. So you might as well already take it down. But let's mount it up here. Let's take this one off guys. So all you gotta do for that, your little Allen that comes with every upgrade kit. Unscrew this guy. Now, if you're wondering why it looks different than stock, is because I actually cut the top roll bar off the deadbolt. I don't think that really looks scale. All right guys, there we go. We got it out. It's really that simple. It looks weird without one. Yeah, there it is. That's the old one. You can see I cut that little bar that goes over top. Let's get this mounted, and wow, that actually looks really cool guys. Sweet. So we're gonna have to, looks like we're gonna drill maybe a little hole right through there. All right, before we do all this work, I wanna make sure it actually works. I feel like that's a good idea. Here it is, it's working. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm happy with that. Let's check it out. That's sweet. Alrighty, so let's get to actually installing this. First thing I'm going to do, super tightly tape this and make it all black so it doesn't have a red wire there. Alright guys, so you can see what I mean. Probably do it better than that, but that's good enough for me. Next thing we're going to do is I see this little gap here beside the steering wheel here. Just probably going to send a little hole through there. It's just got to be that big. And that's how we do it. Slide it through a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Push through, nice. All right, it is through. Pull it, spin this around. And from there, we're just gonna bolt it right in, guys. So you can see kind of how this works here. That's gonna go, it says it goes to the factory location. Maybe with some modifying, because I don't see it sitting flush enough on that side. That side maybe, but we're gonna have to, from the looks of it here, we're gonna have to sand down this roll bar a little bit because that's not really lining up that well. So all right, so what I'm gonna do is I got my little snips here. I'm just gonna take a little bit off there. Should be good. Now we should be lined up enough, and that looks really good. Okay guys, check that out. That looks really cool. I like that look. And last thing we gotta do is just plug it in. It's gonna be a bit of a hassle doing this every time. So there's probably like maybe something you could get, like a little adapter or something that you can like at least have the connection up here, because having to pull it out and plug it in every time is a little bit annoying. Oh yeah, baby. I like that a lot. Oh guys, I'm super excited for that quick little mod there. It looks way better than factory. It sits flush. It's got a nice look to it. It's pretty bright. Because obviously a mod like this doesn't add any performance, but it does look good and it'll help me with the night runs. I haven't used this one for a while. I've been ripping the Bronco lately. So to use the Deadbolt again, it feels a lot different. Oh man, it just crawls like a dream though. Really adding a scale look to the Deadbolt. It's been missing that type of look. Very performance orientated. And just like that, it rips up the course. There it is with the lights off. I gotta say it's pretty bright. You guys can see here, right? could use it as a flashlight if you don't have anything else. Final review here. I am really happy with it. Looks really good, looks a lot better than stock, and it actually functions now. Took very light modifications there, like one hole and just snip out that roll bar a little bit. That's it, guys. If you want to tidy up the wiring, you can. I might not plug it in every time. It's definitely there. It looks good even when it's off. Scale look too, even if you don't plug it in. But that is going to do it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. If you want to purchase this product, it is in the description. It is off Amazon. It's like 15 bucks or something. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe. Next video, we got a Bronco video coming up. We got some parts for that as well. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.